Hey guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. So today I am up with some more useful DIYs. So let's go into the video. Now for the first DIY, you have to take one pink A4 size sheet and fold it into half. Now with the help of the pencil, I am going to make two circles in different sizes, one big and one small. So as I am making here two flamingos, so leaving the circle area, I am going to make the body of the flamingos. Here I am using pink sketch pen for the body of the flamingos, and for outlining I am going to use a grey sketch pen. Now after completing the sketch, I am going to write mom on the upper section of the card. Now for this I am using black sketch pen. Now on the circle which we draw before, we are going to stick cotton balls, and the cotton is also of pink color. Now I am expanding the cotton ball and sticking it with the help of the fabric glue on the paper. Now I am cutting the edges of the card with the scissors to give it a finished look, and inside you can give the note which you want to write for your mom, and you are ready. Now for the second DIY. We are taking here one piece of cardboard and black paper and stick the paper on the cardboard nicely. Now with the help of the punching machine, I am going to make the hole in the center. Now I am sticking the letter M, one in starting and one in ending. Here I have used stick-on ones. If you want, you can make it. And with the help of the pencil, I draw heart on the center. Now here I have taken stick-on notes and sticking it in the heart. Just stick them in the way you want. But just remember to stick it inside the heart shape only. Now as the notes are too long, so I am cutting it into half. Now fold the note to see if the space is left. If left, you can stick more notes inside the heart. And then just write what you want to write for your mom. I will write all the things in the description box which I write for my mom. So go and check out there. Now I am using one black ribbon so that I can hang it. And now by inserting the ribbon with the help of the pencil, you are ready to go. Now the third DIY. I know it's so childish, but I made it childish. Now for this you need nothing. Just take one A4 size sheet, wet your hands and take the color you want. Here I have used purple color by mixing the red and blue one. Spread the color on your palm and fingers and place your hand on the paper. Now for giving it more childish look, here I have taken the crayons and roughly colored the area which was left. and spread all the color, watercolor also, to show that the second standard student have made it. And in last, I just wrote I love you with heart and wrote moms because प्यार से I call my mama moms only. Now for the last DIY. Here I have taken one orange A4 size sheet and here I am making an envelope out of it. Now take one yellow paper or yellow A4 size sheet. By placing an envelope on the paper, fold the yellow sheet and take the size of the envelope you have made. Now by placing your hand on the paper, draw your hand on the paper and then cut it. Now with the help of the black marker, outline it. And here I am putting some nail paint with the help of the red marker. Now take one red paper, keep the hand on it and make one heart. And stick the heart by writing the note what you want to write on it. And then keep your card inside the envelope. And take the red paper again and cut one lip shape from it. Here I have cut it and I am going to cut the center part of it. Now I am outlining the lip shape. Now take the envelope and stick the upper part of the lip on it. You can see you can insert the envelope from center. Hey guys, if you like my video तो please like कर देना, comment कर देना और share करना मत भूलना. Thank you.